Hi, I'm Reid, editor of the EdisonReport, and we're here at LEDucation 2025. We call this our C-Suite series, and I am joined today by Daniel Tristan of Tivoli.
Thanks, Randy, for having us today.
Well, you bet, Daniel. Welcome. We're glad to see you, and I spent some time in your booth yesterday, but tell our audience a little bit about what's new from Tivoli in 2025.
Sure. So we have a few products coming out this year, but one product that I'd like to showcase today, talk to you about, is our Vast EX fixture.
Okay, please. Tell us about the features, the benefits.
Sure.
I saw it yesterday,
yeah.
But let's let our audience hear.
Sure. So it's a very robust fixture. It's a marine grade fixture. It's line voltage, so 120 through 277 volt. It's available with micro louvers.
Right.
So it does a really good job in grazing. So it's available in static white and also RGBW.
Okay. Now, how does it differ from other grazers in the market?
Sure. So our secret sauce, if you may, it has a proprietary mounting bracket on each side. And what's nice about this bracket is you can move the fixture 3 inches away from the building and also tilt it. So you get that nice angle that you need to graze that wall. The other nice thing is a control protocol for it. Okay. So right now the static white is available in ELV, MLV, and 0 to 10. And the RGBW is DMX. But we're going to be introducing additional control protocols for it very soon.
Okay, this year?
Yes.
This year.
Yes.
Okay, let's talk a little about line voltage. What are some of the benefits of line voltage?
So what's nice about line voltage are the max run lengths. You know, with this fixture, you can go 100 feet with one power feed cable. So you're not dealing with any power supplies, and you can get 100 feet out of it.
Okay. For the RGBW version, how does that work with line voltage?
Yeah, so the RGBW, the way it's addressed is we have a few different versions available. So it can be addressed with auto addressing function, or it can be addressed with a RDM tool, so remote device management tool.
Okay. Or
the factory can address it. Let's say at the job site you already have a few fixtures and their address is end with 100. The factory can actually program it to start at 105 and then on. So we can do the work, we can ship it, it can plug into existing RGBW system and run off of that.
So how has the product been received at the show?
Oh, everybody's been loving it. We took the feedback. You know, I go out and visit lighting designers, electrical engineers, contractors, and they all tell me the same thing. They say, hey Dan, when is the exterior version going to be coming out? So we took the feedback and we built this fixture, and we're very excited about it.
Okay. Overall, you're pleased with the show?
Oh yeah, plenty of people here, plenty of friends, and it's great to see everybody.
And you were telling me yesterday, how old is Tivoli?
Tivoli's been around for 50 years.
And you got your start in safety lighting?
Safety lighting, so we used to sell something called fast tubes. So all it was polycarbonate square tubes, and it had incandescent lighting in it. We used to sell miles of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, last question, tariffs.
Yeah.
How are they going to affect you, and what are you going to do?
Okay, so we're working with all of our customers right now and working through the tariffs. Sometimes they're on, sometimes they're off. So we're working through them. We adjust pricing where we need to. So we don't lose jobs. We work with our customers.
Okay, so it's a flexible policy.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Daniel, thank you.
Thanks for having us, Randy.
It's a pleasure.